This is a Boston Scientific COVENTOR adult manual resuscitator compressor. As you can see, the compressor automatically pressing the resuscitation kit. The setup will be like this way. You can see here. This pipe will go to the oxygen line, compressed oxygen line. Then you have to insert the resuscitation kit under this area. After that, you have to attach this pipeline to this nozzle. After attaching a HEPA filter, and this one is the PEEP valve. You have to get accessories this with the box. The control is here. You can adjust the power. Like this way. This way. This is the adapter. You have to attach the power line to this adapter. Then the cable will be attached to the 4-pin power socket here. Please mind the socket position like this way. You will get a manual like this way, where you can get this diagram. By this diagram you can set up your ventilation kit. Okay. This is a very basic introduction of this machine, so that you can set up at any CCU or ICU. Thank you.